Well, good morning everyone, welcome to Orlando, Florida again. Today we're going to do something a little bit different today. I was having a conversation with Kay about helicopters the other day and I said, have you ever been on one? And she had, and I haven't. So today we've come here, look, Orlando Heli Tours. And we're going to have a go, and I'm a little bit nervous, if I'm honest with you. Just a little bit. So they've told us there's a 15-minute wait to see if any other parties turn up. But it's a bit like torture if you... Oh, hang on, there's a man walking towards a helicopter. I think we might be going. I'm shitting myself. Okay, so we're all booked. We're going on a helicopter half.
Oh, Joe, I'm really looking forward to that.
He's really looking forward to it. I wish I could say the same thing. It's cost $214 for 3 people, and I think it takes about 15 minutes, and we're going to fly over SeaWorld and Universal Studios. So Kay's looking all confident. Oh, you've been in a helicopter before, haven't you? If I don't see you again, it was fun. That's what inspired it to have a go, you see, so... Universal Studios. That's a Simpson ride, Harvey. We were down there last night on that ride, weren't we? Yeah. Yeah, we spent a lot of time on ice at the moment. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay guys, so we survived. We're back at our hotel. Do you know what? Sometimes you have to step outside your comfort zone a little, don't you? And I'm so glad I did today. I could have easily gone, nah, I'm not doing that, but I did it. I was nervous, I've got to be honest with you, but it was fantastic. So if you're in Florida or anywhere and you get a chance to go on a helicopter ride, go do it. Why not? You only live once. Thanks for watching. See you next time.